Hello everyone. In this quick guide, I will show you how to watch multiple games at once with ESPN Plus using the one-click multicast feature. Now, first make sure you are subscribed to ESPN Plus. If you haven't yet, sign up on the ESPN website or app. Now, once open the ESPN app on your device for now and then click one-click multicast feature which is available only on Apple TV and Xbox. Right? Let me keep this article on screen so that you can follow along. Now, hover over a game and hold down the center button on the remote. This will activate the multicast feature, right? You can also, for Apple TV, select a multicast icon from video player controls. This is the first icon above the top right of the progress bar. And for Xbox, just press the X button and when player controls are displayed. Okay, next find the preview multicast tile. Now you need to swipe to the right at the top of the select grid option. Now, and scroll down and choose the games you want to watch. You can pick up to 4 games. For example, you can add Florida versus South Florida, Auburn, and Virginia Tech. Just as an example, you can add up to 4 games at once. And here, I can say if you want to edit the multicast, like once you click on the tile, you can even edit the multicast, allowing you to remove or swap events to customize your view. And to adjust the audio, you can swipe right or left to switch which games you want to hear. You can also pause or play to change the view. And this is how you can edit the just the layout of full screen multicast, or you can remove events from multicast selection. And the full screen multicast enables you to do this and this and this. You can do a lot with the multicast feature. Now, one thing a lot of people ask is how to switch between games. Now, if there is a game in the red zone or one you want to focus on, just highlight the game, press the center button to go full screen. And that's how you go full screen, alright? And also, again, follow the screen here if you are confused or don't know what I'm talking about. Like, I'm trying to keep it simple, but this article is kind of complicated, so I'm trying to simplify it. Alright, and you can also switch games as much you like add, remove, and change the game you are watching in just a few clicks. And that's it. I'll keep this link in the description below. And with one click multicast, you can enjoy up to 4 live events on one screen. This feature is a game changer for sports fans. Just remember, it's only available for Apple TV and Xbox. Enjoy the action, and I'll see you in the next one.